Hetepu. Peace and blessings to all from Divine Peace Meditation and Yoga. It's your sis, Mama Imani, and I am out here trekking at 7 a.m. Got out the house early. Did not bring the yoga mat because I don't want to tarry too long by myself this early in the morning. But I am at or very near the northern border of Lambert's Point. As many may not remember, decades ago, the city of Norfolk used eminent domain to seize half of the neighborhood of Lambert's Point in order to expand the campus. So 49th Street is still on the books as the northern border of Lambert's Point. Since most people forget that there was a neighborhood here before there was a campus, the residents are usually treated like they don't belong, when actually the university and the students are part of the Lambert's Point community. Just beyond those bike racks and those benches is 49th Street. I'm headed that way. I'm going to see how far I get on the ERT. I'm not sure if I can make it all the way, but we shall see. Hang on for part 2. Make your Seshata Tahuti Tuesday safe. Make it healthy. Make it content. And remember that we are already blessed in abundance. We just need to recognize, appreciate, and act like it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching to the end. Please leave a kind, mindful, encouraging comment as I sit here for a couple of more minutes at the fountain of organized labor. Blessed be.